later on the chocolate avellanas. So, my Alaga will explain this one, okay? Gonzalo, you explain this one.
First, we put chocolate milk and chocolate black in baño Maria.
Espera. Baño Maria is you will put water inside?
Yes, and later,
like this one?
Yes.
Baño Maria?
And later we will put the chocolate.
So that the chocolate will
Yes,
melt.
melt. And later, for the chocolate is melt, we will put the cream of avellana.
Okay, avellanas.
And later, we mix very good. And later we put the Rice Krispies.
Rice Krispies, this one. We will mix it.
Yes, and later we put in here.
In the molde.
In the molde. And later, up in the molde, we will put a little bit more of Rice Krispies. We will
Krispies, the same like this. We have extra Krispies.
Yes, and later we will put in the fridge 3 hours.
Okay.
Now we need to wait till the water is
Boiling.
boiling, and later we wait till the chocolate is made.
It's starting melting. Yeah, this is the ingredients. So may procedure na din siya, but it is in Spanish. It's already melt.
No, look.
Not yet.
It's
Still
yes,
there is lumps.
yes, look.
I see. Just a little bit more time.
Avellana cream. Enough crispy.
Zeron. We will put in the fridge para mabuo. Chocolate, black chocolate. Perfect for my coffee. Ito yung ginawa namin ni Gonzalo. Ang sarap niya, perfect. Perfect yung pagkakagawa. Black chocolate. Ang sarap na. Hindi na overpower yung tsokolate.